Where timeless charm meets the whispers of history. Welcome to Prague, the golden heart of Europe. As the sun rises over the Vltava, the ancient stones of Charles Bridge greet another day, just as they have for centuries. Crowning the city, Prague Castle watches over generations, a monument to power, faith, and endurance. In the heart of the old town, time itself becomes a spectacle. The astronomical clock dances to the rhythm of the past. Surrounded by stories carved in stone, the old town square pulses with life, where every footstep echoes history. Beneath the bridges, the Vltava flows like memory, calm, deep, and endlessly reflective. Wander the winding streets of Mala Strana, where every corner offers a glimpse into Prague's romantic soul. A canvas of color, chaos, and hope, the Lenin Wall is where voices unite and freedom finds form. From Letna Park, the city stretches like a dream, a tapestry woven from rooftops, towers, and time. Where the old meets the bold, the dancing house defies expectation, a celebration of Prague's creative spirit. Bathed in golden light, the National Theatre stands proud, a temple to the Czech soul where art breathes freely. Here the simple becomes sublime, a warm meal, a cold beer, a taste of tradition shared beneath city skies. In the stillness of the Jewish quarter, silence speaks of memory, resilience, and sacred heritage. Once a gate to the old city, the Powder Tower now stands as a gateway to the past. Rattling through cobbled streets, Prague's trams are more than transport. They are the city's living heartbeat. When twilight falls, Prague doesn't sleep. It glows, quietly majestic under the stars. As day turns to dusk, the riverside comes alive. Laughter, music, and the warmth of connection fill the air. Now lit by lanterns and moonlight, Charles Bridge becomes a path not just across the river, but across centuries. This is Prague, luminous, layered, unforgettable. A city where every moment tells a story.